sure you're digging a hole right there. Pretty rocky down there. There he goes. Yeah, 600-gallon tank.
Might want to get off because if I roll into the street,
Don't wanna get killed. Dude, you look good.
don't try this at home.
Oh, I try this every day.
You got a good view out here.
Well, all in due time. Oh wow, look at that. Dude. Whoa, scared me. Scared me on that one. This guy's in there. You can get a 450 Rhino. Straight moving that branch. Okay, it sounds, yeah, that sounds fine. Good, all right, good plan. There's no end to all the dirt in that hole.
No end to that dirt in that hole.
No, it's you just keep
Stop.
you keep digging it and it's still full. Right?
Get that boy and measure the width.
There's our measure. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
See, the depth needs to be from the high side, so what's that depth line there?
Oh, this is a deep hole.
Over here.
Yeah, there's just more loose dirt over here.
That's why they made a shovel. Over there in the middle.
Fine here, it's just the loose stuff. But yeah, this is good. And then width. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Cool.
That thing's level.
It's just a little, it's still a little higher just right here at the end. The rest is level. Okay, I'll fill that in. That's pretty level. Oh, you got to get it all perfect? Okay.
That tank's got to be dead.
Gotcha.
There is a level on the porch and a square shovel.
Okay. Look at this plumb level. So here's the shovel. Good, it's red. That's good. It's real good. It's got to be plumb level. Can't be one bit unlevel. Going down. Wow. Hit myself on the head with the level. Ouch. Plumb D level. Plumb D level this place out.
This little hump of dirt here.
This?
If that end hits, it'll throw it off.
Okay. Oh yeah. Alright. Level. There. Looks good. Looks level. Looks good and level, really. I hear that tank coming. Coming right around the bend. Man, I could fill this hole with some junk. Good thing you're putting that tank in here, or else I'd come fill it with junk. I could throw all kinds of stuff. Maybe I'll pack junk around the tank. Thing's got like a divot in the bottom. That's cool. What's that divot for?
Strength that makes the legs. Strength by the legs.
That's what you want, strong legs. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, I got it from this end. Go ahead. Yeah, looking good.
That way as you can.
Okay. Oh yeah, I do need to dig a little out. Let me, I could probably get out from here. Yeah, I got it. I'll come dig over there. No problem.
Just throw it right up in that ditch right there.
Let's test it.
Shovel up on the edge.
I'm gonna tip it down. Cool. Oh, we got all kinds of room, dude.
Well, we're going to need that to bring it over to make it level. And hopefully that ditch lines up with that inlet.
Or up on the other, so I guess I can just dig out from under it a little. And yeah, I can kind of dig this down. Maybe. See what happens here. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh man. Ooh.
Can you pull it to you some?
Yeah, hold on.
Pull your fat?
Yeah.
We know you ain't got no muscle. That's just dirt biking.
Oh, it did. So I mean, it's off a
If it
little.
was that much the other way, it would be fine.
Something's kind of hitting on this leg. Let me.
Yeah, shove the thing all over this way.
Yeah. Still more. I'll just do it again, right? A little more. Needs to be like this. So it's got not even an inch.
We need the shovel and we'll put a little dirt under this in. We just gotta raise this in.
It does a little every time.
Go ahead and lift on the tank. Now you push this in there.
Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
Alright, let this house so no animals get in there.
Oh man. Alright, so that's how you install a septic tank. Alright. Maccabee Septic. Alright, we gotta go take a shower.